Hey, what's happening, everybody? Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I got my kit today about this postcard business. $50 to get started. You get 200 free postcard, 200 leads, and the paperwork and your special ID. Yes, y'all be crazy enough you don't want to do this. Can't make no money from home. Y'all not crazy enough. So yes, I got my kit today. Here's my kit. Here's the leads. Here's the postcard and the letters. So there's no excuses. We can't make no money from home. No excuses. Excuses going out the window. It's an old remedy to start making excuses. I can't do this. I can't do that. If you can't do nothing else, we don't need to be alive today. So here's my kit I got today. Thanks.